difference.
Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Maximus Arana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to look rich without going broke, teenager edition. If that sounds interesting, let's hop right into this video. Number one is own basics, and basics are pretty cheap. That is white tees, black tees, blue tees, navy blue tees, and as for jeans, you can own a pair of black colored denim jeans and light blue colored denim jeans. And you can also own a pair of chinos if you want to switch things up, and you can own a formal shirt, a white color formal shirt, a black color formal shirt, a pair of trousers of either cream color or black color. You just need to own basics. Basics which fit you well and which look good on you can make you look like $1 million. Number two is owning a good suit and a tuxedo which fits you well, and that will make you look like $1 million, because a good suit or a tuxedo makes you look super important and super relevant, and yeah, the reason why you click this video, super rich. Number three is own at least 3 good looking jackets. The 3 good looking jackets which I own is a denim jacket, a camouflage jacket, and a leather jacket. You can pair it up with a white tee, a black tee, a grey hoodie, whatever you have. Once you learn layering, and you don't actually learn layering, you learn it from experience with experimenting with different kinds of clothing. So the third tip is own 3 good looking jackets. Number 4 is owning a good pair of clean shoes. Not a pair, I think you should own 4 pairs of shoes. But clean shoes, clean. I don't care if your shoes cost $200 or $300. I just don't care, they should be clean. I've seen people buy super expensive shoes and they dirty it. For example, I saw this one dude, he bought extremely expensive white sneaker, and after a few weeks it got dirty. That white sneaker turned into a brown sneaker. So even if you own sneakers worth $15 and you maintain them for like over a year, you know, it's gonna look pretty good and better than the guy who owns the $300 white sneaker. Okay, so here are 4 shoe options which I gave you. Like, you should own these 4 shoes. Like formal shoes, black boots, a good pair of white clean Converses, and navy blue ankle top shoes. Yeah, it makes you look a bit tall. Number 5 is own a good watch. Your outfit isn't complete without a good watch and your beautiful smile. So, a quick tip I'd like to give you on watches is that keep changing your straps, your watch straps, in a year or so. Like, replace them with the original straps. Because, like, my watch strap was looking completely disfigured around 3 months ago, and I replaced my straps and my watch looks as good as new. Whereas 3 months ago, it was looking worse than a $10 watch. I don't know. A watch is worth $10. I don't know. So, what I mean is, keep replacing your watch straps in every year or so. Makes a huge difference. Number 6 is a decent cologne. You don't want to smell gunky and sweaty. Don't smell like that. Buy some decent cologne and just spray it on before you're leaving your house. You know, you're looking rich, but you smell rich too. Number 7 is that $1 million smile that you have. So smile, it's priceless. You don't have to buy smiles like, do smiles cost $1,000? No, they cost $0. They're priceless. Smile and you'll look more confident, beautiful. Yeah, and smiles are very rich. you look super rich too. Number 8 is having a rich personality. Now, I don't mean by rich personality, I don't mean like letting down others, putting someone else down, acting rude or arrogant. By rich personality, I mean a person who takes care of himself or herself, always is driven, to accomplish the goals, is kind to other people, helps uplift other people as they are uplifting themselves, and just spreading the goodness around and being a positive person. Yup, that's what a rich personality is. You dress like a rich dude, you smell like a rich dude, you smile like a rich dude, you look like a rich dude, but your personality too is to be like a rich dude. I hope you guys found this video helpful, because in this video I told you guys how to look rich without destroying your parents' bank account or going broke if you own a bank account. Yeah. So, the topic of discussion for today's video is, what piece of clothing item do you own that is cheap but people think that is super expensive? Let me know down below. And also like, comment, share this video with your friend who needs this video. Subscribe, because you don't want to be missing out on any of my videos. And follow me on Instagram, it's @Maximus_Arana. You'll definitely love my Instagram feed. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!